First start of my 1974 MGB in probably about 4 months. Now I'm in the where I store my old cars, but I'm not going to try and film anything else just out of respect for other people who've got cars stored in here. There's all sorts, quite expensive machinery, and I'm sure they would rather not know where stuff is. Right, fuel pump seems to be going quite merrily. Make sure we're in neutral. Let's move the seat so I can reach. Right, fuel pump on, choke off. Just going to give it a crank just to try and build up a little bit of oil pressure beforehand. Also gives a good idea of how good the battery is. Oh, doesn't seem too bad. Right. Usually don't get any oil pressure moving on it, but main thing I want is just to give a bit of pumping to get stuff around the system before it suddenly fires up. One more go. Sometimes it does actually fire up. Right. I also say that I have done a few checks just to make sure coolant is there and no massive oil leaks since it's been sat here. Right, that's a bit of choke. Probably might just fire up now. Double check my neutral. That one. Just trying. Right, just leave the starter to cool off and pull a bit more choke because that's come loose. Let's try again. Got oil pressure. Come on. Ooh, there we go. Bang was just the door just wrapping around. Good oil pressure for what this thing does. And we're running. Pretty easy, really.